Hello, magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light. Sa inyong Tagalog, love reading na Mismo. Okay, so second half na ng 2026 at may kumakalampag sa labas. Masaya siya na second half na ng taon. Charot. Okay, so I'll do the love reading for the month of July para sa collective, and this is for all Libras. Okay, so hello sa lahat ng Libra na nakasubaybay ngayon. Thank you so much po for continuously supporting my channel. Sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung mag-resonate ng reading after niyo panood hanggang dulo. And syempre sa mga bago, subscribe na rin po kayo para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings. Ayan. So, bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck. And, interpret natin siya. Pero, bago yun, bubunot ako ng isang oracle card from the other deck. And that would be the overall energy ng reading na ito. Okay? And, nga pala yung promo ko na minention ko sa reading ko last week, yung para sa lahat ng air signs, valid pa rin siya. Check mo na lang yung video na yun, how to join and how to participate sa promo. Yeah. So, mamimigay ako ng free personal and private love reading. Anyway, as I always remind everyone, this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate sa lahat. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga nag-resonate, magpilitan, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Better yet, book a personal private reading. Nasa email naman, ay nasa description box naman yung email ko. Okay? And so I'll get the 7th card dahil July na. Okay. Para sa lahat ng Libra, open your heart. Medyo close ang heart mo. So, friendship gives purpose to life. Well, this is a love reading. So, this oracle card, ang message lang niya, and the overall energy is medyo straightforward naman siya, to open your heart. I guess, in the recent past, maybe because marami ka ng mga pinagdaanan, lalo na sa love life mo, sa mga nakakarelasyon mo in the past, na naging masalimuot at nag-result lang siya sa ending, di ba? So, and because of that, siguro dahil nga ayaw mo na yung masaktan or takot ka ng magmahal ulit dahil masasaktan ka lang, yun yung ano mo ngayon, nararamdaman mo ngayon, medyo talagang sinarado mo ang pintuan at bintana ng iyong puso. May ganun. So, yeah, so the universe is telling you to just open your heart and give love another chance. Always give love several chances, actually. So, yeah, I think para ito sa lahat ng Libras na currently single, pero alam naman ninyo sa puso at isipan ninyo na gusto nyo maranasan ulit na magmahal at mahalin. Oo, di ba? Ayun, sige, tingnan natin ano yung detalye nitong oracle card na to. Right? First card, the Judgment. Yeah. Second card, Nine of Pentacles. The Chariot. Nice. And Eight of Pentacles. Six of Wands, Eight of Wands, Seven of Cups, and Ace of Cups. Galing, oh. Pentacles, Pentacles, Wands, Wands, Cups, Cups. So, yeah, itong nangyayari sa inyo talaga is nasa ano lang din. May missing dito na yung suit of swords. Pero, yeah, and I guess because yeah, you're currently single and no contact with anyone or even with your past relationships. Maybe that's why. Pero so far maganda naman yung lumabas na cards and related din talaga siya sa opening your heart. And yan, bottom of the deck, see, Page of Pentacles. So wala pa ring swords. So this is the hidden energy or the energy na nasa sayo, nasa perimeter mo or nasa field of energy mo, pero hindi ka lang aware, pero nandyan yung energy na yan. Okay, sige, interpret na natin. With the Judgment card showing up here, sinasabi lang din dito na it's time to forgive both yourself syempre may mga minsan sinisisi natin ng sarili natin bakit nag-fail ang relationship, bakit we ended up closing our hearts to people, lalo na kahit may mga tao na gusto sanang pumasok sa buhay natin para mahalin tayo ng totoo. Ayun, so forgive yourself. It requires for forgiveness din, and forgive the people who hurt you. Kasi nangyayari, para ngayon, napoproject nyo yung past persons ninyo dun sa mga bagong dumarating na kahit hindi naman talaga kayo sasaktan dahil sinaktan kayo ng mga past persons ninyo. Pwedeng person lang, pwedeng marami, pero di ba parang feeling nyo kasi na ay uulitin lang nitong bagong person na to, which is hindi naman lagi. Well, there's still a chance, but that doesn't mean na i-generalize mo na or mag-stereotype ka na pag ganito, sasaktan lang ako pag ganyan, iiwan lang ako, mga ganun. So, yeah, you really need to forgive yourself and the people who hurt you in the past, so that it's easier for you to really open up. Okay, and here with the Nine of Pentacles, yeah, it will eventually give you freedom. Nine of Pentacles is a card of freedom. Okay, and it's a card of alam mo yun, hindi nyo alam syempre. Sorry. Yung Nine of Pentacles is a card of freedom and independence. That currently, yeah, you're enjoying your independence, your singlehood, but yeah, you're free now from those past failed relationship, but also you're free now to love again. Okay, so it's really time to open your heart. And with the Chariot card showing up in this reading, you just have to take action. Because Chariot is taking action and pursuing what you really desire. And alam mo sa puso at isipan mo nga, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, na gusto mo pa rin naman talaga na magmahal at mahalin ulit. Okay, and also with the Chariot, you're looking now for people na may clear intentions. Okay, because that's also the energy of the Chariot. Clear intentions, especially when it comes to love and moving forward talaga, leaving the past behind, moving forward. And but that doesn't mean you forget the lessons learned from the past. Okay? And here with the Eight of Pentacles, it's a card of commitment, okay, dedication. You're putting a lot of effort now on yourself naman. You're loving yourself even better. Now, kung dati parang ang dami mong mga boundaries, sarili mong boundaries na um, hindi mo rin pinanindigan, okay? Or if before may mga criteria ka about the person pero hindi mo sinunod, parang okay na to. Naging okay ka na sa hindi sapat. Ganun. So now it's you're working on yourself, and it's also committing to be a better person. And yeah, tama naman yun kasi once you've healed fully, di ba? So, yun, may naririnig na naman kayo sa labas, and I don't know kung abot yung sound dito pero parang may inaayos doon. So yeah, it's a sign also to really work on fixing yourself, and once you've fully healed and you're a better version of yourself, yeah, mas magiging ready ka rin to open your heart easily and welcome and embrace this new love na darating sa life mo. Okay? And with the Six of Wands naman is a card of overcoming challenges, success, resilience, okay? And coming out from failure to victory, parang ganon yung energy niya. And yeah, you'll be victorious naman with this. Magiging successful ka rin naman sa journey na ito, at magiging okay ka. Yun naman, kung hindi ka pa okay ngayon, or in the past nahirapan ka maging okay, pero yeah, you're doing fine. Okay? So and with the Eight of Wands naman showing out here, that progress, yung progress na meron ka ginagawa mo ngayon about yourself, magkakaroon ng momentum, and magiging every day na darating magiging better siya, okay, than the previous day. So you'll be, nakikita ko dito that you'll be perfectly fine, okay, and ready soon. Lalo na, tingnan mo, yung dulo ay Ace of Cups, pero bago yan, Seven of Cups. Okay, so Seven of Cups, meron kang mga meron ka naman talagang mga wishful thinking, mga sana ganito, sana ganyan, sana yung darating na bagong person to love is yun na talaga. May mga ganun, may mga wishful thinkings ka naman, and may mga fina-fantasize ka rin mga scenarios na sana ito siya yung ideal person ko, sana dumating siya, kung may celebrity ka na pinipeg mo maging karelasyon, sana ganyan, sana ganito, sana, so may ganun. Pero kung puro ka sana pero hindi ka rin nagtitake action, yung mga nasa taas na si Chariot, wala rin, hanggang sana lang talaga siya. So you really have to take action, galaw-galaw, ganun, di ba? Yung sana may makadate akong ganito pero nakaupo ka lang at nagmumukmuk sa kwarto, sana may mamit akong ganito pero ayaw mo rin namang lumabas, okay? Ayaw mong pag may pinakilala sa'yo, hesitant ka, yun nga, lagi mo iniisip, ay sasaktan lang ako nito, di ba? So may mga indecisions ka pa rin na kailangan mong ayusin talaga para maging okay ang kakahinatnan kapag may bagong person na dumating sa buhay mo, that and na willing naman talaga mag-invest sa'yo. Okay, kasi yeah, may darating. With the Ace of Cups here, may darating. Okay, showing up. Ace of Cups is a card of love, happiness, and abundance. Okay? Some more it's A, so it's a beginning, a start. So someone new is coming to your life, someone who will love you um, as you want it to be, di ba? And ayun, so you really have to be ready kasi pag dumating to tas hindi ka ready, sayang lang. Okay? And yeah, Hidden Energy is the Page of Pentacles, and Page of Pentacles is a same something fresh, something new, but Page of Pentacles also has this energy of loyalty and long-term potential. So I can sense na itong darating na bagong person um, has this long-term goals din, and mag-invest talaga sa'yo at magiging loyal siya sa'yo. Okay? Kaya open your heart. Okay? Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Ganon, di ba? Alright, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Always use my reading with discernment. Okay, and nasa inyong kamay pa rin naman ang inyong kapalaran. Meron tayong free will to do what we need to do. Okay, so kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako nga si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Kita-kits. Ingat.